So yeah, I really love all the shadows that are going on around here. So, sticking around for a little bit, see what happens. See all the pigeons too. All right, let's move on, I think. Hey folks, so we're back over here on Roosevelt Island today. Got a couple of hours spare, so I thought I'd take an old stroll. Came over to the lighthouse over here because I wanted to see if there's something I could do with it. I feel like there's something there, but I've never really experimented, so I have to wait and see. So if I spin you around here, I can show you. It's this lighthouse there. So yeah, that's where we are. And then I see plenty of clouds up behind me. So maybe when the light gets a bit lower, maybe towards sunset, I'll have to run back down there because it's like a 20-minute, 30-minute walk. And see what happens then. But for now, just gonna take my time and walk around here and see what's what. If there's any compositions, I shall get back to you. Sorry for the squinting as well, because I don't like wearing my glasses and it's crazy bright, so. Anyhow, see you in a bit. Bye. So yeah, I'm here looking at the moment. Definitely not too much in way of leading lines. Spin you around actually. Just back over here in the distance where the people are sitting. There is like a nice path that could maybe be used, but the problem is there's like 3 stupid lampposts that are like pretty much just in the way. Maybe somewhere over here in this area. But even then, I don't think it's really a shot that's ever going to work. Now that I look at it again. Yeah, there's no real foreground interest or anything, unfortunately. So yeah, so let's head up north, south I should say, and see what happens. Never been in this section of the island, so I'll take a walk around. Don't know what it is. Sort of factory or something, some sorts. I don't really think there's anything here, but let's take a couple of shots and check them out later. And Mr. Goose in the foreground. All right, so I'm back over here again, and I've set up the 5D on the tripod in a pretty precarious position. My tripod, it wouldn't be as strong as the tripods either, but let me show you. So I have the middle arm extended all the way, which isn't great. The camera balanced on top, and then this leg, as you can see, is just right there on the edge. Now, I've never seen it from this angle before, but the problem I have with it is that there's nothing ever really in the background. And just plain old blue skies isn't going to work. And then as you can see, the buildings that are behind it just kind of blends in. I guess ideally, I want fog and mist for separation. I just have to use a narrow aperture, like I said. But I kind of like this here, like with the rocks as a leading line coming up around. The only problem is all this dead space here. And I did notice a ferry just went by and caused lots of ripples, and like there was nice splash coming up. So maybe if I could play around with that. I don't know if I will today or not, but see, there's a ferry over the far side now that might be heading up north, and if it is, I can check it out. But yeah, it's just, I think it's a hard one to compose, this lighthouse without proper elements. And like I said earlier, if it was like a stormy sky behind it, it would definitely work. It's a bit of recon, you know, and I'll stick it in the memory bank and hold it there till whenever. All right, let me take the shot, and I'll show it regardless. I'm pretty sure it's going to be rubbish, but yeah. All right, folks, see you in a bit. Bye. Onward.